Okay, so welcome back to the shop today, and we're going to be taking a look at the Empire E95 Ultra View LED level. And there is a lot to go over on this one, so let's get started. We're going to bring you in for a closer look, and we'll go over the ins and outs. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to mention here is the precision milled edges for accuracy when leveling and scribing. Now, personally, I can't stand when a level has nothing but a bunch of paint or even just sanded edges on it. I like something that's going to be nice and straight so I get a nice accurate read on my line when I scribe it. So next up on the magnetic models are going to be the rare earth magnets. Very useful when hanging steel studs, I-beams, that sort of thing. Level just sits there and magnetizes right to the stud or the I-beam or whatever steel surface you're gripping to. So a lot of times when I'm scribing something, a straight line on a wall, around a corner, I'll have a problem when I get to the edge here. You always got a little bit of a tapered edge on your end caps. Now, it's not exactly a deal breaker for me, but it's a nice little feature to have. What Empire has done is they've made removable end caps. Really kind of nice. So, like I said, not exactly a deal breaker, but it's a nice feature. So, the next thing, a lot of times when I'm scribing on a wall, I'll notice that the level tends to slide as you're going to go and scribe your line. Well, Empire's added rubber grippers on the back around each one of the side bubbles. Gives you a nice grip on the surface. So next up, we come to the E-band high contrast vials. Now what they've done is they've added two nice dark lines on either edge of the bubble. Really gives you a sense of being able to see the edges of the bubble a little bit easier. So, but not only that, they've added dual LEDs in each one of the bubbles. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to kill the lights here, and we'll see what these things look like in a darker situation. Okay, we ready? Let's turn it on. Okay, push of the button brings on the dual LEDs in the first bubble. Push of the button again brings on your side bubbles. The lights themselves have a 2-minute shut off, but in order to shut it down manually, you'll press and hold the button for about 10 seconds and then it should shut down. There we go. Okay, let's get those lights back on. So another thing that Empire's done is they've put in high impact acrylic glass around the bubbles themselves. It really helped to protect them from things dropping on them, the level itself falling. I know when the bubble breaks on a level, it's really pretty much useless. So, really nice little feature that they've done there. Another thing is that the level is IP54 rated, meaning that it's dust protected and rated for splashing water. Definitely wouldn't submerge it, but water splashing on it shouldn't hurt it. So all that combined in one level is extremely impressive to me. Empire's really outdone themselves on this one. Okay, so that's going to wrap things up for today. We hope you've enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.